Hi, my name is Sarah Brennison, proud business leader of Infinite Shine Enterprises, sharing with you the mid-October brochure that is good through November 11th while supplies last. All of the items in this collection are available through the consultant that's showing you this wonderful video. Keep in mind some of the colors that you see are a little different in the brochure. They are meant to show you the sizing for when you have them in your home. So one of the most popular bowls we have are called our Thatsa bowls. These are our mixing bowls, and they're mixing bowls because when you take off the seal, it has a textured inside. So that way, if you're using a whisk or a beater, it's not going to have any marks on the inside. Plus, they're just pretty to have. Now, the bowls that are on sale are in different shades of blue, and they are gorgeous. So make sure you talk to the consultant that invited you to watch this video for that. What I want to show you today, though, is the sizes. This is the Get It All set. You get to have all 5 bowls, including the bonus 5 bowl that we have this month. In addition, if you would like to add to the Get It All set or just get what you need, there's different configurations. You can get the 3-piece set. This features our most commonly used bowls, the junior, the medium, and the Thatsa. You can get the mega all by itself and our bonus buy this month, which is our mini. This is a 6-cup bowl, perfect for having those little bakers bake right alongside you.
What I love most about these bowls is they actually nest. The way that you do that is you take the seals off and you would put the Thatsa bowl underneath the mega, and everything else will fit right inside the mega. Just like so.
So then all you need for your storage is enough size for this height for all these bowls. In addition to the bowls being on sale, we have amazing ways to store your goodies that you're going to make this holiday season. We have the 5-piece round set that is featured in either black or blue seals, your choice while supplies last. You have our Potato Smart. Now this Potato Smart is perfect for storing your potatoes so they stay dark. It will close. It's not really a tight snap, but it does close to keep them fresher, longer. Last but not least, you can get a pair of our snack stores on sale. How do you like to store your goodies year-round? So what do you love of our baking items for this flyer? Remember, the colors are a little different in the flyer. Be sure to connect with your consultant to see them. One of my favorite products that we have is our Vent and Serves. My family uses this all the time for our leftovers. What I love about the Vent and Serves is they are heat resistant at high heat. So if your family's the kind that just pushes the one and walks away and lets it cook for a minute, this is the one for you. It has a vent, so it's not going to allow anything that might be on top of the refrigerator of that community microwave you have at work to fall inside. It has a frost line, so you can freeze your meals so you can do meal planning. And it has feet on the bottom, so it has even cooking all the way around. We have a unique round set. We have a unique rectangle starter set. And last, we have the rectangle set. Now what I want to point out with you on the rectangle set is these 2 sizes typically are not sold by themselves, and they are grouped together with this flyer. I love the large shallow because this is a perfect way to make your Rice Krispie bars, and if you have pizza left over, this is great for at least 3 or 4 slices depending on how they're cut. It is also half the size of a 9x13 casserole pan, so it's great if you have planovers. This large deep Vent and Serve, this is perfect for your banana bread for storage, but you can also make corn on the cob with this. 6 ears, 6 minutes, no water required, and you're going to have the juiciest sweet corn you'll ever have. It's also perfect for your large batches of stew or chilies, perfect for that winter season we're about to enter. In addition to being able to plan over to the next day with our Vent and Serves, we have the Stack Cooker. This is a way for you to make 3-course meals when you get the complete system and save $20 at the same time.
What I love about it is the seal can be inverted for one of your levels. We have a colander and a base, which can be nested inside each other, which is perfect if you're doing a ground beef or something that could drip fat into it. And we have a 3-quart container as well.
Now if you're not sure you want to have the colander and insert, you can just get the cone, the 3-quart base, and the cover. Although I'm going to be honest with you, spending $30 more to get the complete set will make you happier in the long run, because eventually you might want to use the other 2 pieces for your meal planning need. No matter what set that you get, we do have recipes that we can share with you to help you be able to meet your needs for you and your family. In addition to having all of these amazing specials, we have an exclusive silicone mold. Now I don't have it here with me, but this is the rectangular mold. All of our molds are cured for 4 hours. The one that's on sale with this flyer are these cute little breadstick ones that are made of the same material. You can melt your almond bark chocolate in your stack cooker and then pour it right into the mold for cute little designs that could be used as stir sticks. Make sure you connect with the consultant that's showing you this video to learn more. In addition to our wonderful Venton stores, we have our large Fridge Smart. This is an exclusive item that is not around very often, and did you know it can hold 5 dozen eggs along with 1.5 pounds of bread, and of course those vegetables too. And last but not least is our condiment server. I love this condiment server because this actually comes apart and you can store it in your refrigerator like so. Then when you want to serve it, you can just turn it and it will be good to go. You can pour 4 different sauces, either sweet or savory in it, and if you use our breadstick mold, you're able to have nice little dips for people to have in your gatherings that you do this holiday season. Now that you've seen the entire mid-October brochure while supplies last, let's take a look at what's in it for our hosts. Our hosts in the fall and winter catalog have an ability to use their host credits with a qualifying event on 2 exclusive offers not available for purchase. The first one is the 6-quart Ultra Pro. Ultra Pro is oven safe up to 482 degrees, freezer safe, microwave safe, and can be used going from the freezer to the microwave to the oven all in the same meal. The cover also doubles as a cookie sheet, and this is perfect for that perfect turkey or chicken that you're going to have this holiday season. The other option you can have using your host credits for the qualifying event is 11-piece modular meat set. It features one of every size of our rectangles, a super oval 3, a super oval 1, a 2, a square 3, and a square 2, an oval 3, and an oval 2. This is perfect to get your kitchen pantry settled and organized. And we know that modular baits will save you 30% of your space when you use them. They are airtight and liquid tight, which means that all the bugs and pests that may come into your home won't be coming into your food. And it'll also help you when you want to buy in bulk to have your items last longer. Which host gift special would you choose? Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this little taste of the mid-October brochure and the host bonuses. Feel free to like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and let us know what you like in the offers that you saw today. I can't wait to read your comments.